Hello, my commercial owners, commercial building owners or properties. Very beautiful roof, beautiful weather, but it's typical for these kind of roofs to leak after 15-20 years. And the main problem is the flashings and the drains, the lowest spot of the roof. And it's normal, I would say it's normal for these roofs to leak, but we can help you. If you have any questions, we can extend your roof life another 20 years. Let us know if you have any questions or you need help. With these problems, you're not gonna have any more problems in the future. Thanks.